அருள்மிகு பழனியாண்டவர் ஆர்ட்ஸ் காலேஜ் ஃபார் உமன் பழனி, PG Department of Chemistry. I am Mrs. T. Anandi, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Chemistry. Chromatographic technique. What is chromatography? Chromatography is a technique for separation mixtures into their components in order to analyze, identify, purify, qualify and quantify the mixture of the components. Classification of chromatography: adsorption chromatography, partition chromatography. Adsorption chromatography, the stationary phase is solid. Here solid versus gas and solid versus liquid. Gas and liquid are mobile phases. Here the partition chromatography, the stationary phase is liquid and the mobile phase is gas and liquid. Okay, adsorption chromatography has two types of chromatography: adsorption or column chromatography, thin layer chromatography. Partition chromatography is divided into four types: partition column chromatography, paper chromatography, thin layer chromatography, reverse phase partition chromatography. First we see about adsorption column chromatography. In this technique, separation process involving uniform percolation of liquid solute through a column packed with finely divided material. It is used for non-polar substance and constituents of low volatility. Column requirement. Column: Pyrex glass of any size as per the need. Smaller diameter is mostly useful. Packing: wet packing, dry packing, and the adsorbent used active solid with a large surface activity. Example: talcum, calcium carbonate, aluminum. Solvents: depending on the polarity and solubility, pet ether, carbon tetrachloride are used as the solvents. Developers: colorless solution like H2S, ammonium sulfate, potassium thiocyanates are used. Working of the column. Technique: the solution of to be separated mixture with non-polar solvent. Add solution, add eluting solvent. Components are absorbed at the top of the column. Development of the color bands. Behavior: the more double bonded and hydroxyl groups, more stronger than adsorption. Hydrogen bonding decreases adsorbability. Applications: separation of mixture, removal of impurities, concentration of solution, determination of homogeneity, identification of unknown components, separation of isomers, diastereomers and tautomers, separation and identification of cations and anions. Application of separation of natural products. Alumina is used for separation of sterols, dyestuffs, vitamins, esters, alkaloids and inorganic compounds, and it is not used for the compounds containing phenolic or carboxylic group. Silica gel is used to separate sterols and amino acid. Carbon is used in peptides, carbohydrates and amino acid. Calcium carbonate is used in carotenoids and xanthophylls. Advantages and limitations of column chromatography. Adsorption is experimentally easy, more uniform and reproducible. Applicable to separation of mixture of similar molecules. For large amount of sample, adsorption is suitable. Adsorption is preferred if the components differ widely in polar or structure. Thank you.